Here is a wonderful 2020 Toyota Corolla. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Make your daily drive efficient and stylish in this well-equipped, affordable Corolla. Smooth and agile, its surprisingly spacious cabin spoils you with desirable infotainment features, while its advanced safety tech infuses every journey with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system. Enjoy the efficiency and style this captivating Corolla has to offer. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.